let us start our first question. Show that the function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to cos x for all x element of R is not 1 to 1. हमको यहाँ पर f of x is equal to cos x is not 1 to 1 for all x element of R prove करना है. So 1 to 1 नहीं प्रूव करने के लिए, in order to prove something is not 1 to 1, उनको करना क्या चाहिए? उनको सबसे पहले मालूम होना चाहिए what is the meaning of 1 to 1. What is the meaning of 1 to 1? Distinct elements possess distinct images. अलग-अलग elements को अलग-अलग images है, तो वो 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 ना प्रूव करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? कोई भी दो एलिमेंट को सेम इमेज मिल गया तो वो क्या नहीं हो सकता? 1 to 1 नहीं हो सकता. देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे. Given f of x is equal to cos x. Consider any two elements in the domain. Consider pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 element of R. Calculate f of pi by 2 and f of minus pi by 2. देखते हैं दोनों का क्या images आता है. f of pi by 2 is equal to cos of pi by 2. What is the value of cos pi by 2? 0. Now calculate f of minus pi by 2. F of minus pi by 2. What is f of minus pi by 2? Cos of minus pi by 2. What is the value of cos minus pi by 2? That is also equal to 0. Pi by 2 लेना कोई जरूरी नहीं, कोई भी दो एलिमेंट ले लो जिसको सेम इमेज आना चाहिए. Pi by 3 minus pi by 3 you can take. कोई भी दो एलिमेंट जिसका इमेजेस सेम आना चाहिए. अभी हमको क्या मिला? एलिमेंट्स डिस्टिंक्ट है लेकिन इमेज सेम है. डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट को डिस्टिंक्ट इमेज नहीं, डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट को सेम इमेज मिल गया तो क्या होगा? f of x1 is equal to f of x2 does not imply x1 is equal to x2. डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स को डिस्टिंक्ट इमेज नहीं मिला. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Therefore f of x is not 1 to 1. Not 1 to 1. Okay? Is it clear? Now look at the second question. Find the total number of functions from the set A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 to set B is equal to set ABC. It is a direct question. If you know what is the total number of functions from a set containing, suppose A contains number of elements of A is equal to m and number of elements of B is equal to n, then there is a direct formula which says what is the total number of functions from A to B. What is the total number of functions from A to B? Total number of functions from A to B का formula क्या है? n to the power m. This is a direct formula which tells what is the total number of functions from A to B is n to the power m. Here, what is the number of elements of A? A is set 1, 2, 3, 4. So, number of elements of A is equal to 4 and number of elements of B. B is set ABC. Number of elements of B is equal to 3. So, total number of functions from A to B. Therefore, total number of functions from A to B. Total number of functions from A to B we can use this formula directly. There is no need to write this formula too. You must know the formula. If number of elements of A is equal to m and number of elements of B is equal to n, then total number of functions from A to B is n to the power m. So total number of functions from A to B here is equal to What is that? 3 to the power 4. In place of n, here it is 3. In place of m, here it is 4. So 3 to the power 4. What is 3 to the power 4? 3 square, 9. 9 9s are 81. Is it clear? One more question is here. Optional questions होगा आप लोगों को. Same. Normally relations and functions से है तो नीचे optional question भी वही होगा. Now look at this question. A set A has 4 elements and another set B has 5 elements. Then find the number of injective mapping that can be defined from A to B. पहले वाले में total number of functions पूछा तो यहाँ पर one-to-one functions. What is the total number of injective mapping from A to B? Again, it is a formula-based question. We can write directly. If number of elements of A is equal to M and number of elements of B is equal to N, then total number of injective mapping, number of injective mapping from A to B is given by the formula NPM. NPM. Here we can use the formula directly. Here it is given number of elements of A is equal to 4 and number of elements of B is equal to 5. Then using this formula, total number of injective mapping from A to B is nothing but NPM. Using this formula, we can write the total number of injective mapping from A to B is 5P4. What is 5P4? NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So 5 factorial by 1 factorial is 5 factorial itself. So 5P4 is 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? 1 into 2 into etc. 5. That is equal to 120. Both the questions are important. You must remember the formula. Okay.